Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to edit WhatsApp messages on iPhone. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Here we go. Now once you're here, tap open any conversation you wish to. So after opening the conversation, just go to the text bar and just type a message and then tap on send at the right hand corner. Now once the message has been sent, let's say you made a mistake while sending the message or there are certain errors on your typing. Now just long tap on the text that you had sent and you'll see various options over here. Now just simply tap on the option of edit. Now again, you have to edit your message. So now let me edit my message. You can add certain things or even omit certain things on your text. You can also add various emojis to your text if you wish to. Now after this, just tap on the checkmark option at the right side of your text box. After this, you'll see a pop-up that says, "This message was edited for everyone in this chat on the latest version of WhatsApp." So now just tap on the option of OK. And you can see that your text has been edited. Also, you can see the option of edited, which means that your members of your group chat or your contacts will be able to know that you have edited this certain message. So follow these easy steps and you will be able to edit messages on WhatsApp on iPhone. So that's all for today. And if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.